Hello everyone, welcome back to Discover. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to capture a screenshot during automation test. This is very useful feature, especially when debugging errors or tracking test. Let's begin. In the previous tutorial, I have explained about the getting text and then verify text by using ascent. So let's begin. Create a new file. Right click Python project new and then click on Python file. Enter the file name capture screenshot. Next, import the WebDriver and then initialize the URL. Copy this and then initialize the URL. Here enter the URL and then navigate to this URL. As you can view here, one text is present here. This is heading 1 and this is heading 2. First, I will show you how you can get this screenshot of the specific element, and then I will show you how you can capture the entire page of screenshot. So let's begin. Copy this URL and enter URL, and then we need to navigate to this URL, enter URL. Now locate this element. Here we can locate this element by tag name, which is heading 2. This is heading 1 and this is heading 2. If I right click on this inspect, as you can view, this is heading 1, which is demo page, and right click on click this inspect. This is heading 2, which is Selenium base. So here we can look at this element by tag name, and the tag name is h2, which is heading 2. Element is equal to dot find element by dot tag name. Enter the tag name here, head 2. Enter this heading 2 in single quote, and then we will capture the screenshot of this specific element by using element. This is variable name dot screenshot. After screenshot, we need to enter the path in which we want to save this screenshot. So we will save the screenshot in this parent directory, which is started with dot / and then enter the image name, which is test.png. Make sure you need to enter the image format in PNG. If you enter here in JPEG, so screenshot will not capture in this case if you enter the image format in JPEG. So make sure enter the image format in PNG. Let's add width here. After navigating to this URL, add width here, time dot select 3 seconds, and then after capture the screenshot, add some width here, time dot select 3 seconds. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and then wait for 3 seconds and then look at element by heading by this tag name, which is heading 2, and then capture the screenshot of this specific element, which is Selenium base. Let's run this script. Right click, run, capture screenshot. Chrome browser is opening. First navigate to this URL and then capture the screenshot for this specific element, which is Selenium base. Here you can view the screenshot has been captured for Selenium base. Now I will show you how you can capture the screenshot of entire page here use driver dot get screenshot as file. Here you can enter the same dot the parent directory folder. As well, you can enter the complete path in which location you want to save this screenshot. Double quote dot slash and then enter the file name test1.png. Let's run this script. First, navigate to this URL. Here we can maximize the window by using maximize method. Capture the screenshot. Here you can view one is test. If I double click on this Selenium base, this is for a specific element, and this is the complete screenshot of this page. Same as when you can save the screenshot by using save screenshot method driver dot save screenshot. This get screenshot and save screenshot both are same. Now you can enter here, just change the dot save screenshot as file. Driver dot get screenshot as file. Driver dot get screenshot as file. Now here enter the path in which you want to save this screenshot. So I want to save this screenshot in C user folder. Copy this path and enter path here, and then here enter double slash, again double slash, and then enter the image name which is test2.png. Now in this scenario, the screenshot will be saved in this location. Let's run this script. Right click, run capture screenshot. First, it will navigate to this URL and capture the screenshot of this specific element which is Selenium base, and then capture the screenshot of complete screenshot and save in this location test1.png, and then save the screenshot in this location C user test2.png. Here you can view the screenshot has been captured of this complete web page. That it's for today's tutorial on capturing a screenshot. I hope this video helpful. If you found this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SK World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.